Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about Euro USD pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 22nd to 26th December 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So here, let's see what happened in Euro USD on Friday. So as you can see, 0.13% negative move, 1.17090 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open a weekly chart over here. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bearish candle with a small body and a big upper wick and a small lower wick. Currently, if I talk about stochastic RSI is a 42 to 55 level, which is indicating as a slight sideways momentum. But remember, as we always say, we should not only look for RSI or other indicators, we should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here, this is a one-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. Currently, we can see some important support zones and resistance zones are already marked. Currently, we don't need to mark any new levels. So let's straight away talk about the closing first. So here, 1.17090 is the closing. Here the direct support is 1.16827 and direct resistance is 1.17168. After direct support, there is a support of 1.16457 and then 1.16208. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 1.17454 and then 1.17670. So these are two important support zones and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. Also, this will help you to take better stop loss and target levels as well as make your decision more better and clear. So if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I've already shared prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I've already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So let's now talk about my opinion in Euro USD pair for this week. So according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a negative move which is in this range, that is 1.16457 to 1.16827. I'm expecting a negative closing in this range. If you're going for any long trade, then we can go for a long trade. Once 1.17168 gets breached and a 4-hour or one-day candle gets closed above this, then we can go for a long till 1.17454. Overall, my expectation is negative, but remember these levels are more important so that you can get a better trade. So if this level gets breached and a 4-hour one-day candle gets closed above this, then you can go for a long till this level. So according to my analysis, I'm expecting a negative closing. What are your expectations for this week? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.